Creating a hyperlink in Confluence is straightforward, allowing you to link to other Confluence pages, external websites, or specific content within the same page. Here's a step-by-step guide. Highlight text for the link. First, type the text you want to use as the hyperlink. Highlight the text you want to convert into a hyperlink. Add link using toolbar. After selecting the text, click the link icon in the toolbar. A dialog box will appear with link options. Choose link type. For Confluence pages, start typing the page name in the Search for Pages field, and Confluence will show matching pages. Select the desired page. For external links, choose the web link option and paste the URL. Anchors or headings within the page. Type hashtag and select the heading to link within the same page. Insert the link. Click Insert to add the hyperlink. The selected text is now clickable, linking to the specified destination. Save and test. Click Publish to save your Confluence page and test the link to ensure it directs to the right location.